Happy Navratri to everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make motichoor ladoo. Let's start the process. So here I've soaked the chana dal, 1 cup of chana dal for approximately 2 hours, and now I'm going to coarse grind it. So let's start. Grind the chana dal. So this will look like this, and just make a small ball. I've heated the pan here, so I'm just gonna fry them. Just fry them like this. So we're gonna fry them on a medium flame, and I'm sure everyone gonna like this. You just need to coarse grind this one. So this balls you're gonna coarse grind. Once you coarse grind, this will look like this. So our bundi is ready for the bundi ladoo. Sugar, and then we're gonna add a half cup of water. Like this. Just mix it. So while the sugar is getting dissolved, we're gonna add the color. So we need an orange color. Just add a little bit of color. Like this. That's it. Just add so it will give a nice color to our motichoor ladoo. You can skip the color if you don't want to add the color, but once in a while if you eat food color, that's not bad. You can still add it and make your sweet looks delicious, more colorful. So yeah, so just wait till the sugar get dissolved. So you can see the orange color. And one more thing, you can add your choice of dry fruit in it. Make sure you fry them in ghee, in butter. Yeah, so looks like our sugar is dissolved completely. Yeah, and here I'm gonna add the bundi. So you can see the bundi. We're gonna add the bundi in it. I'd like to show you. Look at this bundi with the colors. So our dry fruit. I only like cashew, so I only added the cashew in this one. Yeah. You can add your choice of dry fruits. Out of this bundi. Here it is. Look at the motichoor